amazing animals around the world. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to meet some amazing animals from all over the world. From dogs to lions, elephants to rabbits, we will learn about their special features and where they live. Each animal is unique and has different ways to survive in nature. If you love animals, this video is for you. Let's discover them together. Enjoy the video. Dog. Dogs are pets that live with people. They are friendly and love to play. Dogs have fur and can be big or small. They are good at hearing and smell. Dogs can be trained to follow commands. They are loyal to their owners. Dogs can live in homes or outside. Many dogs like to sleep in a cozy bed. Puppies are baby dogs. They grow up to be bigger dogs. Dogs can bark to communicate. Some dogs protect people and houses. Cat. Cats are small pets that are very independent. They have soft fur and like to sleep a lot. Cats like to clean themselves with their tongues. They can be different colors, like black, white, or gray. Cats like to play with toys and chase things. They have sharp claws for climbing. Cats sleep a lot. They can live in homes or outside. Baby cats are called kittens. Cats usually do not like to be in a group. They are calm animals and like their personal space. Elephant. Elephants are very big animals. They have long trunks that they use to grab things. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. Elephants eat plants, like grass and leaves. They can live for many years. They need their mother to take care of them. Elephants can walk for many hours. They live in Africa and Asia. Elephants are smart and can remember things. They like to swim in water. Elephants are endangered because of hunting and losing their homes. Tiger. Tigers are big cats that live in forests. They are orange with black stripes. Tigers are very strong and fast. They hunt other animals, like deer and wild pigs. They like to stay alone and live alone. They are endangered because people hunt them. Tigers usually give birth to 2 or 3 cubs. Cubs stay with their mother for about 2 years. Tigers like to sleep during the day. They can live for 10 to 15 years in the wild. Tiger. Tigers are big cats that live in forests. They are orange with black stripes. Tigers are very strong and fast. They hunt other animals, like deer and wild pigs. They like to stay alone and live alone. They are endangered because people hunt them. A baby tiger is called a cub. Tigers usually give birth to 2 or 3 cubs. Cubs stay with their mother for about 2 years. Tigers like to sleep during the day. They can live for 10 to 15 years in the wild. Lion. Lions are big cats that live in Africa. Lions are strong and fast animals. They live in groups called prides. Lions hunt for food, and they mostly eat meat. The female lions do most of the hunting. Lions sleep a lot during the day. Lions have sharp claws and teeth for hunting. They communicate by roaring loudly. Lions are social animals and enjoy being in groups. They can live for 10 to 14 years in the wild. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on land. They have long necks and long legs. Giraffes eat leaves from tall trees. They can reach very high places to find food. Giraffes are usually brown with spots on their bodies. They live in Africa. Giraffes can run fast for a short distance. They walk slowly and calmly. They are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. Bear. Bears are big, furry animals. They live in forests and mountains. They eat fish, berries, and honey. Some bears sleep during the winter in a process called hibernation. Bears live alone, but some live in groups. Baby bears are called cubs. Cubs stay with their mothers for about a year. Bears are very protective of their cubs. Horse. Horses are fast and strong animals. They live on farms or in the wild. Horses are used for riding and working. They eat grass, hay, and grains. Horses have long tails and manes. They sleep standing up but can lie down too. Horses can run very fast, sometimes faster than people. They are very gentle and kind animals. Horses can live for over 20 years. Monkey. Monkeys are playful animals that live in trees. They are very smart and can use their hands like people. Monkeys eat fruits, nuts, and leaves. They live in groups called troops. Monkeys are very social and like to play together. Some monkeys have long tails that they use to grab things. They are found in forests and jungles. Monkeys are very active during the day. They can live up to 30 years in the wild. People find monkeys fascinating to watch. Cow. Cows are large animals that live on farms. They are usually calm and friendly. Cows eat grass and hay. They give us milk, which people drink. Male cows are called bulls. Cows live in groups, and they like to be around other cows. Cows are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. They can live for 15 to 20 years. Farmers take care of cows. Cows are very important for farming. People use cows for milk, meat, and leather. Cow. Sheep. Sheep are animals with soft wool. They live on farms and are very calm. Sheep eat grass and plants. Sheep live in groups and like to stay together. They are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. Baby sheep are called lambs. Farmers shear their wool once a year. Sheep are important for farming and wool production. They can live for 10 to 12 years. Goat. Goats are small animals that live on farms. They are very curious and like to explore. Goats eat grass, leaves, and fruits. They can climb rocks and trees. Goats are very strong for their size. Baby goats are called kids. They like to jump and play. Goats can be white, brown, or black. People use goat milk to make cheese. Goats can live in groups and enjoy company. They are very fast and agile. Goats can live up to 15. Pig. Pigs are pink or black animals that live on farms. They are very smart and can learn many things. Pigs eat many things, including plants and animals. They like mud and roll in it to stay cool. Pigs have short legs and a snout for rooting in the ground. Baby pigs are called piglets. People use pigs for meat. They can live for about 12 to 20 years. Pigs are very strong for their size. They are very intelligent and can remember things. Rabbit. Rabbits are small and cute animals. They have long ears and soft fur. Rabbits eat grass, carrots, and other plants. They like to hop and run fast. Rabbits live in holes. They are herbivores, meaning they eat only plants. Baby rabbits are called bunnies. Rabbits are very quiet and calm animals. They have strong teeth to chew plants. Rabbits sleep during the day and are more active at night. Rabbits can live for about 10 years. Duck. Ducks are birds that live in water and on land. Ducks are usually covered in feathers and have soft down underneath. They are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and small animals. Ducks can be found in lakes, rivers. Ducks have beaks that they use to find food in the water. They like to eat plants, insects, and small fish. Ducks can fly. Some ducks migrate to warmer places in the winter. They live in groups called flocks. Ducks can live for up to. Penguin. Penguins are birds that cannot fly but are excellent swimmers. They live in cold places like Antarctica. Penguins have black and white feathers, which help them blend into the water. They have strong flippers that they use to swim. Penguins eat fish, squid, and other sea animals. They live in large colonies for protection. Penguins are social birds and communicate with sounds. Baby penguins are called chicks. Penguins can live up to 20 years in the wild. Crocodile. Crocodiles are big animals. They live in rivers and lakes. They have strong skin and sharp teeth. Crocodiles eat meat. They like fish and birds. They can swim very fast. Crocodiles wait for animals to come close. They live in warm places like Africa and Asia. Baby crocodiles are called hatchlings. Crocodiles are cold-blooded. They can live many years. They stay in water but walk on land too. Kangaroo. Kangaroos live in Australia. They have strong back legs and can hop very far. They eat grass and plants. Their long tail helps them balance. Baby kangaroos are called joeys. Joeys stay in their mother's pouch. Kangaroos live in groups called mobs. They use their legs to kick and protect themselves. Kangaroos are fast and can run from danger. They live in open lands like grasslands. Owl. Owls are birds that come out at night. They have big eyes and can see in the dark. Owls eat small animals like mice. They fly quietly and hunt well. Baby owls are called owlets. Owls live in trees or buildings. They can turn their heads a lot. Owls make a hoot sound. They live in many places. Parrot. Parrots are colorful birds. They can copy sounds and words. They live in warm places like South America and Africa. Parrots eat fruits and seeds. They have strong beaks. Baby parrots are called chicks. Parrots live in groups. They like to make noise. Some parrots live many years. People keep parrots as pets. Hippo. Hippos are big animals. They live in rivers and lakes. They have big mouths and teeth. Hippos eat grass. They go out at night to eat. Hippos stay in water during the day. It keeps them cool. Baby hippos are called calves. They live in groups. Hippos can run fast for a short time. They are strong and can be dangerous. Hippos are active at night. Wolf. Wolves are wild animals. They live in forests and open areas. Wolves eat meat. They hunt in groups called packs. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth. Wolves are like dogs but bigger. They make sounds like howls and growls. Baby wolves are called pups. They stay with their family. Wolves work together to find food. They can run long distances. Wolves are smart animals. They live in many places in the world. Your task. Choose one animal from the video. Write 5 simple sentences about it. Use these questions to help you. What is the animal's name? Where does it live? What does it eat? What does it look like? What can it do? Pushpin example. This is a dog. It lives in homes. It eats meat. It has 4 legs. It can bark. Writing hand, write your sentences in the comments.